जानम समझा करो, जानम समझा करो. Yes, this is Saurabh R. Bhatt from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, popularly known as S.R. Bhatt in my professional circle. I am a wellness engineer who thinks of wellness on individual basis, company basis, as well as nation basis also. Friends, my YouTube channel Janam Samjha Karo is specifically for the intellectual society. I mean the Buddhijeevi class of India, particularly for Indians, NRIs, as well as those who love, respect and think of India. Well, coming to the point, so many Indians have contributed a lot at local as well as global level to enhance image of India in totality. Indians have proven their intelligence since ages. Basic genetics of Indians is highly intelligent on one-to-one basis, which nobody can deny. In ancient days, at present, as well as in future too. And this includes people from various sections of society ranging from MSME companies to mega corporates to Indian MNCs to information technology professionals, engineering professionals, pharma professionals, as well as financial and economic wizards, apart from the semi-known artists from Bollywood to remote villages and sportsmen. Even our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has also contributed to enhance image of India at global level through the series of vibrant Gujarat events as well as having global networking on personal one-to-one basis with the top premier authorities of various countries, many countries in the last 5 years of the pre-corona phase after his becoming Prime Minister. Of course, this is a matter of debate to what extent the efforts of our Prime Minister has yielded result. What counts is sustained positive image and not any temporary image enhancement during his visit. Well, apart from the Prime Minister, our Chief Minister of Delhi, Sri Arvind Kejriwal, has also taken initiative, and his unique initiative to re-engineer the education system has created global attention and endorsed by certain developed countries also. Friends, while we Indians have so many reasons to feel proud and superior, what is worth disturbing is the decision of our ruling government to opt for bullet train project between Ahmedabad and Mumbai corridor to show the world that हम किसी से कम नहीं. Tell me, what is the necessity to have 50 years of loan from Japan to meet the expenses of the bullet train, maybe partially, especially when our Prime Minister has enough national fund to distribute in multiple crores to various countries from time to time. Let us understand, it is direct or indirect partial burden to we Indians either in the form of taxes or other way in the coming 50 years, even though government might be having full calculation to extract money or to generate profit out of bullet train. But do remember, there is a proverb in Hindi, जितनी चादर हो उतना ही पैर फैलाना चाहिए. Means, limit your expenses according to your earnings. Why to take loan when we are able to distribute so much money to various countries? Friends, instead of the bullet train, what India needs. Just one additional railway track on busy routes like Ahmedabad, Bombay, and to run Janta Express every 1 hour, which will genuinely benefit the common man at reasonable cost. And subsequently, alike additional tracks may be considered for future busy routes like Mumbai Pune, Bangalore Chennai, Delhi Jaipur, Delhi Agra, and so on. This will help all those regular season ticket holders also to have their daily up down journey in the common second class compartments with lesser co travelers, giving them obvious relief from the day to day extreme painful hustle. Friends, giving my brief introduction, I am a wellness engineer, lead my whole life in nature, even though being in a metro city, hardly 2% here and there using some other latest means. Otherwise, whole summer I manage without fan, without AC. Winter, no woolens. When I went to Europe, I did not carry woolen cloth. Never get tired. Sleep only 4 to 6 hours. Symmetrical body. At the age of 70, running, I do not need spectacles to read. No lifestyle disease, no toxin, no fat in the body, ever fresh. Get up in the morning between 3 to 5 a.m. normally, irrespective of late sleeping. Friends, so my wellness aspect includes personal as well as corporates and even at national level by sharing my thoughts, my insight. Maybe I may not be to the expectation of all the viewers, but then I invite your opinion, your views, and likes, which will help our India in totality. And in the process, any critical opinion will help me to improve myself also. I'm planning to float at least one alike video clip once in a week to benefit our nation and we Indians, particularly the intellectual class and mass of society. Best regards and good day, your well-wisher Saurabh R. Bhatt, S. R. Bhatt, Ahmedabad from Janam Samja Karo channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.